he said that the women's game is hard to call, which is not, it's debatable. It's so hard to prove that. But as a listas, let's take the economic, let's put our economic hat on. I'm gonna say this. I don't agree with this, but I'm gonna put it out there for argument's sake, Gio. NBA refs and WNBA refs are paid differently. I think WNBA refs only take 1/3 or 25% of the pay of NBA refs. And the reason for that is it's simple economics. The NBA generates more revenue than the WNBA. Had Jai said that because the men's league is the revenue generating league of the UAP, that's why the refs who go to this division get the higher pay. Is that something you've been more amenable with?
For me, no. I don't think so. Because it's not a professional league. It's a collegiate league. There has to be a fair standard, not just across divisions, but across all sports. Mostly because it is a amateur collegiate league.
On paper.
Yeah, throw that in there. Yeah.
As far as the commissioner is concerned, it's an amateur league.
Yes, on paper.
Yeah, and no, there has to be equal footing. I think that's the bottom line, right? Like you don't treat the athletes differently because of that. And
Gio, to add, the UAP has a responsibility as a developmental league to develop all divisions. We don't just develop. That's why we have these other sports who aren't revenue-generating, because we have, as a school institution, as a league, we have a responsibility or a promise to develop these different athletes in these different sports and these different leagues. So maybe that just to add to what you said.
Yeah, and I also argue that there has to be a fair way to do this even in the professional leagues in the future, right? Mostly because the referees is only beneficial for the referees if they can call a game very well for both men's and women's divisions, and even for high school divisions. I think that's the bottom line of it all, and a more tiered system on how good you are as a referee is probably more important. I think that's what Vic said to us, na parang there has to be a way for referees to be rated so that they move up and down tiers a la relegation, and that needs to be assigned appropriately. It's like the NBA finals, right? There's only like 6 referees who can referee the NBA finals, something like that. We should consider something like that.
Yeah. I would like to reward those refs who don't put us in the free throw line. that's the refs I want. Gusto ko referee. Ayun siya.
The refs I want are those that don't put us into foul trouble in the 9th minute of the third quarter.
and fourth quarter, Gio. Fourth quarter din. Yeah.
So yung hindi nagko-call ng fouls against and for us. Yun yung...
just let us play. Or if we do foul, inbound.